Happy New Year's to everybody.
Happy New Year.
And thank you for watching our stuff. What we're going to do is a quick little demo. We're going to show you from beginning to end on our robot. Since I go back to work tomorrow, I'm not going to be able to work on it as much anymore, except late at night and weekends. So we're going to go ahead and show you where the robot is right now. Landon's going to control it and show us what it looks like as far as moving around. It's got a new body. It's exciting, right?
Very.
The body is 3D printed. It took, I don't know, 4 or 5 days probably. Put it all together, get all the pieces 3D printed, glued together, spray painted, and then installation was kind of a pain in the rear. But we got it on there. I mean, it fit right. It was just, you know, you got to pull stuff off, you got to put stuff back on. So anyway, we got it done. We're going to show you what it looks like. Here's a glimpse of it. Notice the gold color. Huh? Landon, you picked that out, didn't you? Yeah? So it looks pretty cool. Alright, Landon, since you're right there, why don't you go ahead and plug in the power. We have this cover here. It was also 3D printed. What we're going to do is show you how long it takes to boot up. Now, it's a Raspberry Pi as the main computer. There's 3 Arduinos. You can go back and see some of our prior videos if you want to know more. But we're not going to go into that level of detail in this video. We're going to make it a quick one. Landon, go ahead and just plug in the power if you would. Alright. So this is what it looks like from boot up until movement. Alright, you may have seen his eyes just move. Or hers, whatever. We do have a speaker mounted over on the side. Gives it kind of a cool retro look to it. I mean, not that robots are all that retro, but I don't know, adds character.
Greetings. I am the JL1000 robot. Primary motor found. Sensor module found. Speech module found.
Alright, so it found everything we expected. The eyes are working a little bit better. Still need to write a little bit more code for that. But we're very close to autonomous mode. Alright, Landon, let's go over to your phone and check it out.
Hopefully it'll load
Is it loading?
slowly.
There it is. Alright, so hit the connect on it. Did it connect? Yep. Alright, good. Set the volume. Alright, Landon, show us what you can do with it.
Hello guys and Happy New Year.
Let me get down on its level so we can see it better. You want to open her up, send her down that way as fast as you can, and see how well it performs. She moves pretty quick. Yeah. And when we go into autonomous mode, it won't be flying that fast. But we're pretty happy with it. We got all this done. I think we started probably around our Thanksgiving holiday, the week of Thanksgiving. Some of the software was started before that, a couple of late nights and weekends, but other than that, you know, it's all pretty much done in about a month.
Left.
Okay, those sounds that you're hearing,
Right.
if I put my hand over here, it's telling me
Left.
what direction it's seeing something. We did get some of the code figured out.
Sensors. Right.
We did get some of the code written that it's able to now detect objects.
Left.
like I have my hand to the left.
Right.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's on the right. My left.
Right.
Okay. In the front.
Right.
And over here.
Right.
It's still seeing my hand, my arm. If I move over here, then it's going to say something to
Right.
to its left, hopefully.
Left.
Yeah, there it goes. So it's seeing
Left.
stuff. I do want to add an IR sensor.
Right.
It'll be a lot more accurate.
Right.
Plus, if it sees something with the sonars, I can
Right.
double check it with the IR detector.
Amazing.
But anyway, we're pretty happy with it, aren't we? Pretty happy? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. So anyway,
Wonderful.
that's it for this video. Just wanted to quickly update you on what the robot looks like, because there's
Peace out.
going to be a little less work going into it over the next, I don't know, several months.
Peace out.
All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Happy New Year.